Hello everyone, myself Swagat. I'm studying MC at Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore. Today I'm gonna explain about the seminar topic is inventory analysis in a server computer manufacturing environment in system simulation and modeling. In the seminar topics, the topics which are covered by abstract, introduction, and solution architecture, business analysis, and applications. In this abstract part, we describe the simulation-based inventory management tool developed for the IBM Enterprise Server Group. In this inventory management is developed by the IBM Enterprise Server Group. And through the web interface of the tool, an inventory manager is able to visualize the days of supply, level, current, and projected. Then, in this topics, the DOS. DOS is the days of supplies. In the product days of supplies level is current and projected. And to carry the what if scenario and identify the potential opportunity to the improvement. Then, and to in days of supply, then after we can identify the potential opportunities to implement the business. Then, what is the what if scenario? Then what if scenario, it is a the process of changing the values of the cell, see how those changes will affect the outcome of the formulas to the worksheet. This is the what if scenario. And in this following section, we will introduce the common characteristics of the server manufacturing environment and present the overall architecture of the tool and describe the simulation model design, how to address those challenges. In those two sections, like first one is the DOS and what if scenario, it is the basic common characteristics of the server manufacturing environment. We can explain those things. Then introduction. In this introduction, the high-end enterprises server are products built with the leading-edge technology featuring an expensive component with high inventory carrying cost and high customer service level requiring complex product configuration and quick order response time. In this introduction, then we can the product build leading technologies and how to build a good product and how to supply the product and how to quick delivery to the product to the customer service and a better service satisfactions like that. Today's server manufacturers are typically operating in an environment with the following characteristics. These are the today's operating environment with the following characteristics. Then aggressive new product introduction cycle, then we can develop a new product introduction cycle and significant engineering change activity connected with the continuous quality improvement driving component yield issues. Then we can updating a new product in new version. Then currently cost of the missing shipment and exceeding the cost of carrying inventory. These are all those the introduction. Then we are going to the architecture. This is the solution architecture. Then it's the tool-based simulation engine, DOS application, authentication, notification, web client, charts or reports, IBM intranet, raw data. These tools are worked in the solution architecture. The first one is the tool database. The tool database is the server. It serves as a system backend tier. Then tool database is a work as a backend tier and it store all the input data needed for the DOS simulation and it store the input raw data and is the days of supply simulation for such the end product demand distributions and it can store the data and it can to distribute the products at a day to day. Then configuration features ratio and component test distributions, BOMs and simulation output reports and customer serviceability on one end and pipeline inventory. These are all tool database. It can store the product and updating the supply of the product and customer service history and output reports. All are those things to the tool database. Then a customer data bridge utility has been built the can extract relevant raw data from the production ERP system. It transform into the desired formats and to load it to the tool database. In this tool database can store the raw data and history of the product to be shipped. Then all those things stored in the tool database. It will connected with the simulation engine DOS application. DOS means days of supply of the product application. Then it will connected with the authentication, notification to the client and web client, all those things. Then Next one is DOS application. Deployed a J2EE web application under the WebSphere application server. Then what's the meaning of J2EE? It provides the choices for graphical user interface across the company's intranet or to the World Wide Web. The client can run on the desktop, laptop, like phones, other devices. Then the DOS application sits in the middle tier between the backend database and front-end client, and it contains all the business logic. The days of supply application is sitting into the middle tier, and it will to the backend database and front-end backend database, and it will the front-end is the client. It can serve it all the business logic. It contain all the business logics, and end users is connected to the application using web browsers and to view the current and previous DOS cases stored in the database. Then end users means we are the end users. We connected to the web browser. We can browse the view of the current and previous days of supply cases and history of the stored database and run the days of supply simulation of the current case, view simulation result to the current and previous case. Old and newer cases we can also view in the mm, web browser. Then and conduct what if analysis it current case. Then what is the what if analysis? What if analysis means the process of changing the values in the cells, see how those changes will affect of the outcome of the formula of the worksheet. Like we can note it down the outcome and income of the history like that, scenarios, goal seeks and tables in with the excel sheets and data tables like that. The next one is simulation engine. The simulation engine is the Java library deployed together with the web application. It is one of the Java library with connected to the web application. It is invoked by the application upon the request from the end user to the compute to the DOS profile for the current case, and it's the what if scenario is the created to and evaluated. Then in this simulation engine works, then after what if scenario is created and evaluated and solve that. The next one is reporting. In all business system, the reporting is important. The present simulation result to the business user in meaningful way. Custom report were composed and deployed to the Brio, like that. For example, HTTP www.brio.com. This is one of the reporting website on demand server. This report run predefined queries against the tool database, displaying query results in tables, charts, and pivot. In all business companies are reporting like that. For example, tables, charts, graph, pivot tables like that. It can report how the it is increasing business, it's increased the business level or decreasing the business level. Then like that. This is the report. Then intranet services. Our system utilizes the IBM intranet services to achieve better usability. To implement the single sign-on scheme, we have configured both the application server and one-demand server use IBM Blue Pages and corporate Y directly services for the user authentication. Then next concept is business analysis and applications. In some of the business analysis and applications are there in this topic. First one is project inventory target profile. In this, given the product and manufacturing planning data, the tool used for forecast on futures demand and estimated forecast accuracies to generate customers demand for the end products. And you can customer satisfaction, you can rating the, you can features of the customer, how we can like that, and the recommendation, the customer demand and end products like that, and compute the expected inventory levels over time at the part level. The projected inventory level are then converted to DOS profile to provide a normalized measurement of inventory quantities. The second one is impact assessment. Impact assessment. Another important application of the tool is provide the capability to perform what if analysis. I tell already know that what if analysis. The user can define the number of scenarios and different supply chain parameters. The user can different type of number of scenarios and with the different chain supply parameters like that. By running the simulation and comparing the result obtained for the different scenarios, the user can quickly identify the potential opportunity for improvement. By running the business simulation and compr- comparing the result obtained for different scenarios, the user can quickly identify the potential opportunity for improvement. You can suddenly improve the potential opportunities. Thank you.